Right guys, we're finally back at Melton Woods where we found that owl. We'll go down this way and I'll show you where we found that owl. You can hear all birds, can't you? Here he is, look. Hello, bud. Yeah, there's plenty of wildlife out. Hiya.
Hi.
Hello.
Come on, Bonnie.
Bless. Oh, what's this? This tree's nice, look at this. Oh, that's wicked. Yeah, there's all these little hideouts as such, what you can walk through with trees, look. I'm coming, bud. Oh, it's another warm day. Is it 22 degrees? Lows of 16, so it's going to be warm all night and all. Hi mate.
Are you alright?
What we got here, a little whippet.
Italian girl.
Oh really?
Right, yeah.
She's cute.
6-year-old.
Is that what she is?
Oh, she's
He-
tiny.
Oh, he is?
Yeah. Pardon?
Oh, he's cute.
Tiny.
Ah, there, full spot.
Cute little thing.
Nice and cool in here.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Have a nice day. Yeah, it looks like a dog memorial. Yeah, it will be. The dog's been buried here, I think. Oh yeah, here we are, look. Oh wait. 1956 to 2026. 11th of May. Master of the one-liner, conqueror of the challenges. May your next adventure have a good punchline.
His favourite.
JB. No, rest in peace. Lovely place to be remembered though, eh? Let's hope it don't get ruined.
Well,
Yeah, it's so peaceful in here. There's no birds in this bit. Oh, there's one. Yeah, they're all over, look, scattered. One there. But yeah, this place, when it snows, it's absolutely beautiful. Looking forward to that. All you need to do with them now is get loads of leaves, bushes all over it. You'd be able to live in that. Right, we're very close to where we found that owl now. I thought it'd be nice and cool in here today, but it's really muggy. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, like you say, it's up here.
Whether we turned or we carried on straight. I think we carried on straight.
Yeah, real, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was just here, look. It was just like a little Furby. Just down there.
It's still there.
Yeah, just here. Look at the size of these pine trees here, look. Massive. Yeah. We couldn't leave it because there were loads of dogs going up to it, and it weren't fledging. And a fox would have had it and all. We were too young anyway. Yeah, it's very quiet. We've only seen a few people. You alright, bud? Get you a drink in a bit. Panting away, bless him. Yeah, it's a big woodland. Let's just have a little peep down here. Oh dear, look at these. The trees what have fell. It's just ripped all roots up, look. Bloody hell. Yeah, camera don't do these justice. They're about, they've got to be 7 foot tall then. I can hear Buddy squealing for me, bless him. Here he is, look. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. I'm coming. Yeah, them windmills are just down here. So let's see if we can find a way to get to them. Probably not, but we'll have a look anyway. Now then, which way shall we go? We'll try this way. I'm sure they're through here, unless I'm seeing things. No, I've gone other way. It's like a dead end. Maybe I've come wrong way. Aha! Yeah, it's this way. I'm gonna have to get a picture of this. Ow! Ow! Blackberry bushes. Ugh. Ow! Okay. Careful, there's spikes everywhere. Oh crap, I've ruined my jeans. Oops. Oh wow, look at this. Here we are, look. Yeah, we're going to try and find a different way in. Yeah. Now we'll get back into the wood and have 5 minutes with Bud, who's panting a bit now. We've had to come back through where we came from, because we're nowhere else in. Come on then, let's go and find a bench and we'll sit down. Like a bloody oven. Right, we're going to have 10 minutes on here, Bud. Is that a nest? What fell? Yeah, there's nothing in it though. Right, we'll have 10 minutes. Right, we'll carry on down here and see what else we can see. Yeah, it's a big wood this. A lot bigger than what we normally go to. Hey up, Bud.
Just won't want to walk with me, does he?
Yeah, he wants to walk with me 24/7. Yeah, there's plenty of seats in this wood anyway. Every corner there's seating. But yeah, you've got path that way, path that way, path that way, that way. There's paths everywhere, isn't there? I think we'll go down this one. We're nearly done anyway, I think. Poor little buddy. It's a bit too much for him today. Seen a lot of military going over lately, last couple of days. Right, I think we're better off going this way instead of that way, because that takes you down to fields. We'll go down here. Right, we're nearly done. For you, it's probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes. For us, it's about an hour and a half we've been out. Be alright if it weren't too muggy, especially with Buddy, bless him. Getting tired, aren't you? Right, let's go and see what it is. It's probably nothing, but you never know with these woods, do you? This is a little area as well where they come and met these little den things. I've no idea what these are called. So this is what it is. Oh, it's a finish line. It's got a picture of a chick on it. Seen it over there? The dog over there. Yeah. Looks like they're having a good time. Yeah. Yeah. Look how green it is. How it's like an luminous green. Yeah, that's the first person we've seen in ages. Right, I think we're near the end now, aren't we? We've only done half at Wood. It's too muggy. Normally you'd come back this way, but we came back that way. Yeah, paths everywhere, look. Yeah, car park's just through there. Yeah, it's been a good walk, hasn't it? Apart from being too muggy. But apart from that, it's been alright. Buddy's enjoyed it, hasn't you, bud? Buddy's enjoyed it. What's that? More bags. I've seen, walking around here, I must have seen about 50 of these. I don't know. Make it make sense, guys. Make it make sense. If you're not going to pick it up, just leave it. It'll just dissolve its scent. Or no, in fact, just pick it up. We're back. Right, guys. I'll catch you on next video.